Gadkari ji has sanctioned, even Kharge during his period, I told, sanctioned some works. Gadkari ji has given little more preference to Karnataka, but unfortunately, even that Mangalore, Hassan, that track, even today it is unable to complete. Several debate, tunnel, all these things, nothing has happened. Anyway, I will leave it at that stage. Sir, madam, now I say a few words about the present government. The railways have done a great job in last 10 years. The work done in last 60 years can be compared with the work done in last 10 years. Facts and figures I am giving. This was only possible because the clear vision of the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the sankalp to make India a developed nation. This is Viksit Bharat.
माननीय सदस्य प्लीज
Transfer.
कंक्लूड करें.
I know how many railway ministers in UPA period, in NDA period, what all happened. I can give instances after instances, not to criticize, but facts. But it hurt. That's, please, I have not, madam, please permit me. Now, the transportation of any country, whether in China, Russia, Canada, Australia, Europe, was possible because the clarity of vision of development infrastructure, railway, road, ports, airbase. This is the background. The present government, led by Narendra Modi ji, has given prominence, and he, the railway minister, he has appointed, is sitting by the side of me, who is an honest man, who is working very honestly with all sincerity, and that is why the progress, the achievement, what has been done in last 10 years, and during his period, what is the achievement, what exactly the accidents has come down, railway accidents, with facts and figures I can quote. Now, I would like to just mention about Karnataka. Sir, I must be happy. Please. 2 minutes, madam. Karnataka, which was being southern state, our some friends have referred, southern states have been neglected. It was neglected earlier. Now it is not like that. 800 crores has been spent only in Karnataka. Earlier, I was begging. Now this government, 7,800 crores was allocated for Karnataka, and various works have been taken. But not, Madam is, I don't want to disobey. Please give me another 2-3 minutes. And I would like to tell you, a small piece of railway line was sanctioned by me in Kashmir. Now, to complete one railway overbridge, I must quote that, it is, I think, world famous railway overbridge. World famous. I must compliment, congratulate the government of the present government. That is, if I say that, not to praise. Facts are facts. So, Madam, another point is, the budget is 68,600. The railway budget has been included in the general budget. At that time, we are all a little bit perturbed. I think railways are going to be neglected. Now it is not so. 68,600
माननीय सदस्य, please.
is the amount that has been provided in the current year budget. I can't
Please.
disobey. If 3-4 times your good self rang the bell, only 3 demands. 3 demands. One is from Bombay to Chennai, I mentioned, via Sringeri. Chikmagaluru up to railway line is there, from Bangalore to Chikmagaluru. From Chikmagaluru to Shumaga you must connect. Shumaga to Davangere and to Bombay, the line is there. If you connect that, Sringeri is one of the most important place where pilgrims all over the country, from Chennai, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, all over the country will come. Such an important place. Sir, I demand, I ordered when I was the railway Prime Minister for a survey. With all sincerity, I request your good self to see that the officers are all competent officers. They can certainly take steps. That is one thing. Ramnagar, which I was elected, first when I became the Chief Minister, that the one train stop, I am going to write the letter to your good self. Please consider, I don't want to disobey the chair. Sir,
Thank you,
I have
Degoda.
to speak. A lot of things are there, but
Thank you,
I
Degoda.
don't know
Thanks
whether
a
you
lot for your cooperation.
want to curtail my little speech.
No, we have never
I have
curtailed you.
made-
15 minutes. Na? So, since
Thank
you are
you.
the former Prime
Thank
Minister,
you very
and we
much,
all
sir.
respect you.
I want to speak a lot about the present government, about the progress that has been made in last 10 years under the leadership of Narendra Modi ji, with the very efficient railway minister, honest, sincere, committed, and I want to speak. But anyhow,
Thank
you have
you.
curtailed.
Now,
I don't want to blame, disobey the chair. Thank you very much.
thank you. Mr. There are